my god. I feel like I've never been behind a camera before. Oh my god. I can't just do it like this. So to make the floor, you need 2 pallets. Oh my god, that sounds so fucking boring. So freaking boring. Okay, I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that's like bores people and like, alright, so you need 2 pallets. So what's going on today, guys? And like I'm contemplating loading up this video also because just I don't know, I don't like the way I make videos anymore, I guess. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've made a video of anything, but lately I've been doing like I guess my hobby in the mornings before I go to work. While I have time to myself, I start doing woodwork. So I've been doing some few dog houses, and I kind of regret not making a video about them, and so I'm gonna make a dog house again. And this is just stuff you guys could do too, because honestly I really don't know what I'm doing. But I have an idea in my head of what I want to do and how I want to put it together, so then I go off of that. So this video is going to be to a dog house that I'm going to do, so it might be in parts because I only do it in the morning time before I go to work. So I'm going to try not to talk too much, that way you get more footage. I've seen a lot of videos where people talk, and then just I fast forward a lot just to get to the main part. So what I'm going to do now is make the floor for it, and I think that's all I'm going to be able to do today. And then, you know, I'll upload it, and hope you guys enjoy these videos. All right, guys, let's get started. And a lot of this stuff you guys can do yourself. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I'm going to take apart 2 pallets so we can move all this wood all the way over here. This is the part that I kind of don't like. Yeah, some will break, but it's fine. I normally would have left them, but since these boards are crooked, I'm gonna have to take that other pallet apart. You always want 2. You'll want to take one apart, try to save as much wood as you. Oh my god, I can't just do it like this. So to make the floor, you need 2 pallets. Oh my god, that sounds so fucking boring. So freaking boring. Okay, I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that's like bores people and like, alright, so you need 2 pallets. So what's going on today, guys? Anyway, so you need 2 pallets because I would have kept this one the way it was and just filled in the gaps, but since the boards are not straight. I'm gonna redo the whole thing. So that's why you take two pallets apart, or you use a wood of one of them to make the other one, and try to save as much as you can. Even though they're broken, you can sometimes save them just by cutting them and making them even. So here we go. I could have just done it on this side like an idiot, but I still need to take it apart. No, actually I couldn't, because there's a in the middle, that groove. Broke. These are good plants, and I'm trying not to destroy them, but those nails are old and rusty, and they hold on pretty well. The reason I went with that pallet to make it as a floor as opposed to this one, this is a little too big, and the way it was around, like, this is more secure. I mean, I'm still gonna have to put some here to straighten this out. But it's more structured than the other one. The other one, any weight of it, of a heavy dog, would have actually made it start cracking and stuff. So just the ugly part about building, and you guys might not even see my face, about building I hate doing the floor. I hate it. Why don't I start from scratch? Well, because this is free wood. Why do I want to spend more money when I got it right there? Now we're trying to build it at a cost. Look like I don't even know how I'm using the hammer. It's fucking ridiculous. trust me, there'll be a lot of times where you're gonna want to give up. Like right now, like I'm like, why am I doing this anyway? So, but just keep at it, push through, and like I'm contemplating loading up this video also because just I don't know, I don't like the way I make videos anymore, I guess. But this is the only part. Aside, like once you get past making the floor, everything else to me is pretty easy. You just like cut and frame and start designing. This is the only part that I hate that really makes me not wanna start. But now I'll get over it. And it'll be boring videos, but trying to get all this done, and I'll show you. Yeah, this wood is good. It's just the way they nailed it on the pallet. It's a pain to remove without damaging it. Dang. But all right, here we go. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, the way they're nailed in, but then they're bent down. And so that's gonna be a little difficult trying to remove the rest of these without damaging anything. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. And then once I do, I'll come back and I'll record again. But this is gonna take me a while. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And then, I don't know, my mind just on this stupid thing, the floor. I hate doing floors, but it's gonna have to be done. You guys have a great one. God bless. All right, so I have this thing that I bought at AutoZone. I'm a little shaky. And I have like 3 or 4 of them. I love these things because I use it to like remove fender, well, like panels when I'm working on my car interior or something like that. So I found the easiest way, because this is like a kind of like a scraper, and I don't mind if I damage it. I mean, you can find this for, I think like they're like $8. So what I did find to do that worked easiest is I already removed them without damaging it, thank God. So since they're nailed down on this end, I'm trying to go underneath the folded part and pick it up and then hammer it down, and it seems to be working, but it's time consuming. hands are gonna be all blistered up and I'm gonna have to go to work after this. So I might take a break after this, finish this up, and then come back once I'm putting the pallet together, because that'll be the fun part. This is the tedious part. And I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. So let's catch you guys back.